Alright, welcome back to our live stream update, and today we're going to talk about Pokemon cards with Ivysaur. No, I'm kidding. I'm thinking about doing updates once a week so that I can update everybody on what's going on. I still like looking in the camera apparently, but whatever. Just a few things. Like, we've gone back to Quadrant 2 to clean up another mess instead of progressing on into Quadrant 4. Originally, when I intended this story, it was going to be really quick. Not like extremely quick, but to the point, one time through each quadrant. Well, over the course of, I don't know, what, 10 months now, I think? Since December 13th when I signed up on the page, I believe is what it was. It's gone underneath some change, and now I'm adding more stuff into it that's side-related, in a way. There's a lot of, what's the word? Side stories, because I can't remember my own titles for things apparently. Side stories that were done. There's still going to be a lot of town histories to do later. But we've gone back to Quadrant 2 to help with the Civil War issue, which should be decent enough with technically 3 RPers at the moment. Which is like 4 characters right now, because we've got Amane, we've got Cairo, we've got Toshiro and Balthazar. Scratch that, Iyasu and Balthazar. Toshiro we left at blinds to get some training, and Silver one's left at blinds because Dyson doesn't have internet still. So we're a little behind on that, and I don't know. We've been this way for a bit now, so I don't really have much use in saying Tenkai is going to be there because he's still off eaten by a snake at the moment, probably being digested as we speak. No, I'm kidding. That's the middle of the final dungeon live stream or crossovers going on, but that's not a problem. When he's done, he'll come back to it when he wants to. Nothing else to do there. Can't make him come back. Much as we need the help, still can't make him come back. Apparently, I don't know which side of my head my hair is on. Anyway, we're going back and we're doing some stuff. It's gonna start Sunday for this one. That is, with October 23rd, I believe is what it is. Yep, October 23rd. As soon as our only female RPer on this page gets back from band, from playing an arena. So, whatever happens there, it'll happen Sunday. We'll start it Sunday while she's gone, I guess, and I'll post, and then I'll probably do the post order of me, Nick, then her, or I don't know which one's to be called in here. Let's just do it by our code name on here, Alpha, Delta, Zeta. So, that'll probably be the post order. Or how about Amane, Iyasu, Balthazar, Cairo. That's about it on that. But I was told last time I did this video that I needed to watch my language, or I might scare people that might want to join us away. Well, all I can say to that is fuck y'all. Not really, I'm kidding. Not fuck whoever said it, because that would be wrong of me to say to her. But I will tell everybody the same thing I keep telling her about it. That if they can't handle the language, how are they going to handle the RP? That type of language is allowed, and it's kind of works for us. That type of language has been allowed for a while now. Just because I want to say the word fuck and shit and ass and bitch and cunt and whore and douchebag and shit like that doesn't mean everybody has to. But if it's in there, it's going to be in there. I'm not against cussing. I'm not against anything like that. You want to do it? Do it. It's a violent RP. It's more of a violent RP. It's not like we're going to sit there and censor ourselves in the middle of a fight. Oh gosh darn it. Really? You know how stupid that sounds? Very. But like I said, we're not going to censor ourselves just for other people's sensitive eyes and ears and whatever else is sensitive on them. I'm not accommodating to everybody. If they can't handle the matureness of the RP, then they can get the fuck out. Or not start. Whichever it is. I don't have the time to sit here and babysit you because you don't like the language being used. You don't like it, you get over it. That's about it for the updates, and I guess till next week, I guess. They go to this Friday when I get home. Until next time, just remember, Ivysaur says hello. He says hello. You gonna see it? Hello. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, this is Alpha. Peace out, everybody.